Whoa. Daddy learned how to use the Rodecaster 2 Pro soundboard. Uh-oh.
We've got to risk a full power start. The engines were shut off, no time to regenerate. Do you hear me? We've got to risk a full power start.
All right, you lovelies. Hold together.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me.
I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it, get after it. Get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future. We all start losers. We're all late bloomers. Gotta
I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Yeah, man. Yeah, it's me. I'm still here, and I'm not going away. True Slinger coming at you 146 holy shit times, right? Still. We got the fans going. We got a little Indian summer going on here, don't we, Mama? It's a little warm. Woo! Woohoo! A little warm, but we can't complain. We haven't had a summer, right? Right. So I've been screwing around with my soundboard all afternoon. As you can see, I have loaded some Star Trek sounds in there. I had a good old time doing that. And during the process of doing that, it asked me, would you like to upgrade your Rodecaster 2? And I had got all my settings all straightened out, right? Everything all going on. Get the hat straightened out. And, man, I was like, remember the other night I came to bed and I know everything there is to know about sound. I don't know everything there is to know about the soundboard, boys and girls. They whipped my ass today. I like rebooted for an whole hour until finally the damn thing came on in some semblance of what the hell it was before. But in the process, okay, I got some really cool stuff to share with you tonight. I'm not going to share it all. You know, I want to play every single one, but I'll play them for you as we go, right? And I'll show you the neat kind of shit like we got, like this.
Laddie, don't you think you should rephrase that?
Oh yeah, you see, man, I got the gold, man. I'm like, let me see, what else do I got, right? Oh yes.
Surely I have made my meaning plain.
Surely I've made my meaning plain, have I not? Yes. How about this one?
I got rights! I got rights!
Yeah, man. It's good, man. I had fun going through the Star Trek stuff. So, anyway, I'm having fun with the Star Trek stuff, right? Absolutely. It's a lot of fun. And I just I gotta be able to read all the damn things and be able to introduce them at the right time so you're totally entertained, right?
You have 8 minutes, 41 seconds.
Yeah, that's pretty much about how much time we all have left. 8 minutes and 41 seconds. That's about what it feels like, right? So shit, all the time, man. Stuff is getting crazier, right? And I feel like I'm living in a dystopian alien landscape. Right? So maybe we'll just leave the dystopian landscape music playing in the background for a little bit. How about that? You gotta hear the zombies and shit in the background. Very good. Right, okay. So here we are. What the hell are we doing together again? Well, we're testing all this stuff out and seeing if I can make a show seem halfway entertaining with all this shit going on, right? And the cool part is I can even do this. Like, I can say,
I am the monster, and I am coming to eat you.
see, I got the shit going on right now, right? How about this one?
Take me to your leader.
Yeah, I'm all over the place, right? See? So, all I got to say is pretty much, beam me up, Scotty. There we go. And we'll fade right into the next panel right there, see? Okay. Enough of that shit. But the cool part is, just in case, every time now, I can tell you to hit the notification button, right? Right down there. And that's where you go and you comment, like and subscribe down below. Because she gave me that noise, so I'm going to use it a lot, right? Because it's better than this one. So I won't do that anymore, right? So, right, what do we got? Well, first of all, guys, we're going to have to risk full power startup, don't you think? I think we're going to have to start the engines cold. I think so too. The matter and the antimatter is going to have to come together, right? I mean, I just think it's as simple as that.
We've got to risk a full power start.
We've got to risk a full power start.
Time to regenerate. Do you hear me? We've got to risk a full power start.
Do you hear me? Right. This is all about me having fun. If you get entertained by any of this, so much the better, right? So, all right, let's. That's enough of that. I'm gonna wear that soundboard out. I'll think about some other places to use it. So, what's going on in the Twitter feed, right? Let me see. Man beating a 60-year-old woman with her own cane. Oh, all right, that's nice.
Okay.
Okay, all right. Now, that's going to get me an age restriction right away, right? So let's move on.
Sorry.
Yeah, right. Thanks, Mama. Going to give me that age restriction. So how much time do you have left on YouTube?
You have 8 minutes, 41 seconds.
I have 8 minutes and 41 seconds left on YouTube. Because I just played that, right? Okay, here we go. See, it weaves her right into the show. Okay. What do we got going on here? Okay, Maui, right? Still a damn mess. $700 everybody gets, right? What an absolute joke. This, I told you already, you've been sticking with me. This here is going to be the land grab of the century, right? This is what's going on. They're just grabbing the land. That's what they're doing. So, all right, let's move on. There's no pictures. You don't have any pictures. I don't like reading books without pictures. I got to read words. I'm going to keep going. What do we got here? What a scumbag. All right. Okay. That's a nice message. I don't have to say anything. Right? Let's just go.
I just can't do it, Captain.
Wait, no, wait.
I just can't do it, Captain. I don't have the power.
I got the wrong one. Damn it. I'm sorry. This. Right? Right? You listening? I'm trying not to yell, so I'm like trying to incorporate more things. Like, red alert. So what's this about this guy? Our favorite neo-Nazi in Maine. I don't know. Oh, so this is kind of interesting. There have been calls for Joe Biden to renounce. Do you remember when Donald Trump was president? Who was that guy, David Duke? How many times did Donald Trump have to renounce David Duke? 17? 27? 30 gazillion? Okay, I mean, a lot. Right? So, yeah, right. Let me see what else we got going on here.
Okay. Vad gör du, Mohammed?
Well, what is this? What is this?
Tror du kommer upp
You're trying to come in the house?
Nej, wallah.
Nej, vad ska du göra då?
Jag vill prata med dig, Maria.
Vad vill du?
On a ladder.
Jag har pratat med henne länge.
Oh, God, he's in a very,
Gå härifrån.
yes.
Mohammed. Du kommer
Mohammed.
inte upp här. Du kommer
Don't come
inte
up
in
here.
i mitt hem. Du kommer inte in i mitt hem, Mohammed. Du kommer inte in i mitt hem.
Oh.
Han
Uh-oh.
högg mig med en kniv, Maria. Han
You
högg
hit
mig
me?
med en kniv. Han högg mig med en kniv, en stor köttkniv.
Uh-oh.
Såg ni det? Du, han krossar glaset med en sten.
Should have pushed the guy off the ladder. That's my,
Mohammed. Släpp in mig på där så han kommer in. Han kommer in, Maria. Mohammed, hugg du. Mohammed.
yeah, that wouldn't have happened in my house. Let's just put it that way. There would have been a blood stain and then back coaction. Right? So.
You think that's his real name?
I'm looking up. I put in Kent. I played with Kent and nothing came up when I looked it up the first time. I haven't.
Okay, so we got more intelligence on the neo-Nazis. But yet still, from my understanding is Joe Biden won't denounce them. Right? Well, whatever. So what else? Let me see. Oh, look at this. What? First of all, pistols, they don't take magazines. I don't even understand this picture, guys. I just don't. Okay. What is this?
We got visual on Luma. Over.
Oh, look at this guy.
That's him?
Yeah, that's him. Bone face.
We got visual on Luma. Over.
This is not right. None of this is right. It's all weird. Okay. All right, here we go. Only those, remember kids, only those who disobeyed survived, right? That's right. As they say,
I got rights!
I got rights, baby.
American greatness. Today, this hotel is fully occupied. All 1,025 rooms completely booked, full of illegal migrant families being housed here at a cost of $6,000 per month per
What?
family.
God, man.
That's $75 million in taxpayer money used here at this one hotel in Midtown Manhattan. The worst part of the story, this hotel is owned by the Pakistani government. That's right, the same government that
The
housed
hotel is owned by the
Osama bin Laden.
Pakistani government. Oh, my God. You can't make this stuff up, boys and girls. You just can't, okay? I mean, I keep bringing it to you, trying.
よろしくお願いします。では、シュプレシコールと言いましたら、Oでお願いします。
Here we got Japanese people for Trump. Oh, yeah, that looks good. Oh, yeah. Greetings from rural America. Yeah. There you go.
I got rights!
I got rights. All right. So anyway, look at my last episode, Nazis in Florida and Fem-Nazis up here in Maine. I'm tired, honestly. I just did this to kind of test out the soundboard and, right, get everything going again so I could, like, start reading books in the morning and make some money. But anyway, let's just leave you with this.
Looks like we put the bag on you, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks like we put the bag on you, doesn't it? That's what's going to happen. We're going to put the bag on all these clowns eventually, right? So stick with me here. Really, this is much more professional than it appears. Like I said, I just wanted to come and bring you this little message. And you know what? If anything gets in our way, we'll just drive some photon torpedoes in them son of a bitches and kill them. We're not going to stop, right? I don't care what kind of alien landscape, right, we wind up in, right? I don't care what kind of red alert. No. We're just going to launch the weapons. We're going to kick their asses, right? So, I hope you enjoyed that silly collection of shit that I put together today. I hope that makes the show more interesting for you. And I'm glad it's working. And I'm Truth Slinger, and I'm pretty much out of here.